you're planning to build your future home here in Nuvali South, ikaw mismo ang bahala sa design ng dream house mo. Kaya, tapusin mo ang video na to because this might be the perfect property for you. Discover the newest development, Crisela Nuvali. Hello everyone, I'm Jeneline Deligos, also known as the Elegance Estate, a property specialist from Ayala Lands Core Residential Business Group. Today, we are here at Crisela Nuvali, one of the newest and most anticipated communities in the South. Perfect po ito for families and investors. This community offers a refreshing lifestyle surrounded by nature with easy access to key establishments around Nuvali. I want to show you the development surroundings and exciting establishments here in Nuvali. Especially in Metro Nuvali, nakaka-launch lang din po recently. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Before we head to Crisela Nuvali, let me first give you a quick overview of Nuvali para makita ninyo kung gaano kalaki ang growth potential ng area. Nuvali is Ayala Land's largest eco-city development located in Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao, Laguna. It spans around 2,500 hectares, twice the size of Makati and 10 times bigger than BGC. And to make the development more organized, Nuvali is divided into 4 main segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. And recently, Ayala Land launched Metro Nuvali, envisioned as the future BGC of the South, but with a more relaxed and greener lifestyle. Currently, nandito na po tayo sa Nuvali North, the main commercial hub of Nuvali and the location of Metro Nuvali. Metro Nuvali is a 200-hectare central business district representing the next exciting chapter of Ayala Land CBDs, strategically positioned in the rising south and envisioned as the next BGC in the making. Metro Nuvali has 3 major districts, and bawat isa ay may mga unique purpose. So, andyan po ang Lakeside District for lifestyle and leisure. And then the second is Central District, the business and the commercial core. And last, yung Civic District for government, culture, and community spaces. Now, let's talk about the Lakeside District. This is a 100-hectare district features the famous man-made lake and surrounded by the key establishments like Ayala Malls Nuvali 1, 2, and 3, and the upcoming Ayala Malls Nuvali 4. And we have also Seda Hotel, Landers, and SNR, Ayala Land offices, plus the popular brands like Uniqlo, Jollibee, McDonald's, and Coffee Bean Tea Leaf. With Ayala Land continuously developing the area, talagang exciting and future growth and investing potential ng Nuvali. And syempre, ang isa sa pinaka-exciting developments here is the upcoming SM Nuvali under SM Prime Holdings. This is the flagship malls with feature a 1-hectare air-conditioned indoor garden with a total gross floor area of 190,000 square meters. Imagine, it will become the 4th largest SM mall in the Philippines and the largest in Calabarzon. Inspired by SM Aura but designed to be even more modern and elevated. Talagang makikita mo kung gaano kabilis ang growth at potential ng Nuvali. And now, let's talk about the Central District, the future economic heart of Metro Nuvali. This is a 40-hectare district is planned for offices, corporate hubs, commercial spaces, and future developments like schools, hospitals, and parks. And lastly, we have the Civic District, a 60-hectare area designed for community services and daily convenience. Dito rin located ang Nuvali Parish Church, serving as the spiritual hub of the community. Planned developments here also include a 2-hectare civic complex featuring sports facilities, government offices, education hub, convention center, hotel, and other community spaces. Plus, future access via Casili-Tagaytay Road will make travel to Tagaytay more convenient for residents and visitors. Andito na po tayo sa Rotonda, one of the key access point here in Nuvali. The first exit is Casili Road, providing direct access to Tagaytay kaya around 15 to 20 minutes lang nasa Highlands ka na. The second exit leads to Nuvali Central where you will notice the secured entrance and organized road network. Nuvali has both estate security and community security kaya talagang safe and exclusive ang feeling ng community. As we drive along Nuvali Central, makikita din natin ang future Central Block or 12-hectare retail and lifestyle hub. Dito, ongoing na yung construction ng Merrimart and the shops, envisioned to become a future lifestyle destination for Nuvali residents. Nearby is also Solara Park Stories Nuvali, the first pet-friendly and mid-rise condo near Xavier Schools Nuvali. And when it comes to education, malapit dito ang Xavier School na na-mention ko kanina, and we have Miriam College, Everest Academy, UST, UE, LaSalle, and soon National University, making Nuvali a true university belt of the South. Sa kabilang side naman is the future Rockwell development, which is expected further elevate the value of the area. And now, we're heading to Nuvali South, the more serene and residential side of Nuvali, surrounded by the open spaces, nature, and future lifestyle developments. Before we reach Nuvali South, meron ditong plan na gagawing 10-hectare Alfresco Mall right at the T Road ahead, giving residents their own nearby lifestyle center. And if we go left, nandun naman po yung 31 hectares play park, complete with bike trails, golf driving range, and future parks and open spaces. Kaya talagang makikita mo dito ang combination ng nature, accessibility, and modern community living. Dito naman sa Nuvali South, makikita natin ang mas relaxed and residential side ng Nuvali, a peaceful and nature-feeling environment that perfectly balance city convenience and suburban charm. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa site ng Crisela, Nuvali. One thing special about this community is that it only covers around 13.5 hectares, kaya mas intimate and exclusive yung feel ng subdivision. Konti lang po yung magiging magkakapit-bahay and making the community more private, peaceful, and relaxing. Kaya perfect po talaga ito for families looking for a quiet and nature-centered lifestyle here in Nuvali South. Officially launched in December 2024, Crisela Nuvali is currently in its pre-selling phase with target turnover scheduled by the last quarter of 2028. Strategically located near Miriam College, the community sits at an elevation of up to 225 meters above sea level, allowing residents to enjoy cooler weather, refreshing breezes, and panoramic views of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, and Laguna de Bay. Since pre-selling pa lang po ngayon, magandang opportunity po talaga ito to invest while mas flexible po ang payment terms with up to 42 months to pay. Future residents will also enjoy approximately 8,700 square meters of amenities like swimming pools, clubhouse, basketball court, jogging path, pocket parks, and kids play area. And ang isa sa pinakamaganda dito, almost half of the development is dedicated to open spaces. So, andyan yung 46% open spaces and 54% naman po for the residential areas. So, mas airy, mas relaxing, and hindi crowded yung overall community. For those who prefer lot only, our minimum cut starts at 150 square meters up to 247 square meters. Here, you have the freedom to build your own home and customize your design, your home as long as it follows a modern contemporary or minimalist theme design using earth tone colors para at least ma-maintain nyo yung airy, elegant, and relaxing vibe ng buong community. Meaning, walang eyesores dito because every home is designed to naturally blend with the environment. Once turnover na yung lot, pwede na tayo magpatayo ng house. But if you want to keep it first as an investment, pwede rin naman, kaya secured na yung property ninyo. Plus, walang pressure magpatayo agad since there's no required construction time frame. Isa pa pong reason bakit magandang mag-invest at magtayo dito sa Crisela Nuvali because very well planned talaga yung community dito. After the property line, meron pa po tayong walk path and planting strip bago po yung gutter and road. So mas safe siya for the walking and mas premium po yung overall feel po dito compare po sa mga typical na subdivisions. And para ma-visualize niyo po yung future home ninyo dito, meron po tayong sample house models. So andito po yung Erin model na meron 162 square meters for the lot area and 98 square meters naman po for the floor area. At meron po itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And we have also Solea model na meron po siyang 172 square meters yung lot area and 140 naman po for the floor area. And meron naman po itong 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Sold out na po sila, but these models can help you choose the right lot and imagine your future home here in Crisela, Nuvali. And good news, from reservation, turnover, hanggang bank financing, I can also assist you and I am also a home loan broker. Accredited po ito with almost all commercial banks. We can make the process smooth and hassle-free for you. Especially kung nasa abroad ka at nanonood ka ngayon, this is your chance to invest early. Para pag-uwi mo ng Pilipinas, meron ka ng property dito, agad dito sa Nuvali na ready for your future home or investment mo. So guys, that is for our Crisela Nuvali Drive Tour. I hope na share ko sa inyo kung bakit magandang mag-retire at mag-invest dito sa Nuvali. Because when you invest here, hindi lang lot yung property ang binili ninyo. Because you're investing in the whole community Ayala's Premium Development and a peaceful family friendly environment for your future. If you want to know more or schedule a site viewing, message me anytime via Viber or WhatsApp, that is 0927-378-0178. Or you can also follow my Facebook page at the Elegance Estate, Ayala Land by Jenilyn Deligos. And don't forget to like, share, and follow more elegant property tours here in the South. Again, this is Jenilyn Deligos, the Elegance Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South.